Less is more when we call them in terms of the message that we use. When we DM them in terms of the message that we use. The message you do not want to use when you're prospecting is, if I could just have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to show you how we can increase your business 15% or decrease your costs 20%. It's salesy, it's gross, it's obtuse, it's rude. You haven't earned the right to have that conversation. And even if you're correct, it doesn't matter. They don't want to talk to you. So when you're reaching out, I want you to follow this formula. Who you are, how you're connected, and that you have an idea that you want to get their opinion on. Hey Dave, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you call me on my mobile 720-660-3202? Watch, this is the credibility meter. Watch my credibility. Hey Dave, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. It's clearly not a cold call, right? You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Wanted to reach out to you personally. I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. I'm playing to your ego. Everybody loves to give their opinion. Versus, hey Dave, my name is Matt Easton. I run sales for Easton University. We're the #1 sales training company in the world. If I could just have 5 minutes of your time, I'd like to show you how people with us typically double their sales within 60 days. Everything that I just told you was true. None of it is anything you want to listen to. So reach out and say who you are, how you're connected, and that you have an idea I want to get their opinion on. You're like, well, how am I connected to these people? Use your dome, okay? Let's say you're not connected on LinkedIn. Go find them on LinkedIn, put in a connection request. Boom, you're connected. You didn't say your first degree connection. Now, let's say I don't want to do LinkedIn. I can't find these people on LinkedIn. They're small businesses. Okay, what the hell city are you in? I'm in Spokane, Washington. Right? Hey Dave, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. I run our Spokane, Washington market. That's how we're connected. Right? See how I'm doing that? I run our Spokane, Washington market. I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Could you give me a call on my mobile? If you learned what I'm about to tell you 2 years ago, you'd be making $1 million in sales today. Traditional sales training and all the stuff you read in sales books, it doesn't work anymore. Your prospects have more access to information than ever before. They've got more choices than ever before. And they're being bombarded with emails, texts, and calls from crappy companies and individuals that are saying the exact same things you are. It's impossible for them to know the difference between you and the bad guys because you sound and seem the same. This is why you're not making the money you need to make to truly enjoy your life. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. Every day, salespeople just like you start making mid-6 figures and 7 figures a year in sales using our sales process. And we have over 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you at eastonuniversity.com to prove it. If you click the link here, you're going to see our on-demand video coaching platform, and live coaching with me twice a week is going to help you double or even triple the amount of money you're making in sales over the next 60 days. Click the link here. Easton University is more than a simpler way to sell. It's more than an interactive learning portal and live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now so you can be earning $1 million a year in sales sooner than you think.